something different. Knowing that guiding is actually going fairly well tonight. By the way, welcome back. We were shooting M103, and we decided, or I decided, to shoot something pretty close to it, but very, very small. And this is the Little Dumbbell Nebula, which is very tiny. And this is M76, I think. Let me just pull it up, double check. Yes, this is M76. And it is sitting, I think it was like maybe 3 or 4 degrees from where we were. So it's getting up there in altitude. I figured, let's go for it. You know, I mean, the moon is up high enough, but it's further away. I didn't think we would actually get anything, and we actually got pretty good. Shooting 8 minutes on the left and 6 minutes on the right. Let me just share this. Let me minimize this. There we go. Let me share it on my page. I don't know if everybody's getting notifications or not. I really don't know. Like, if I'm doing a video or if I'm doing something, I don't know if everybody's getting it. Whether I'm doing it on my page or if I'm doing it on the actual group page. So I'm going to just share it anyways, just in case. By the way, happy Sunday. Today's the 6th. As we made it through. So again, this is the Little Dumbbell Nebula, which is M76. You can actually see the wisps right here. And there's wisps right there. And then you can see them again on this and this right there. I did take this 3 years ago. And actually, I'm going to see if I can pull it up. I don't know if I can. It's a distance down. It's way down. I had it on my Google Plus account. The Little Dumbbell was something I took. Was one of the first real images I took with the QHY9C, which was my CCD camera. And I was very, very impressed with it. Coming. It's almost there. Because I was just looking for it not too long ago, and I saw it, and I was like, I should definitely get this one. I think everybody would like that. Okay, here it is. Alright, let me... Okay, this is what I took 3 years ago. So, this one was with an 8-inch reflector, Newtonian, with the QHY9C. It was 21 exposures at 110 seconds apiece. Why it was 110, I have no idea. Why couldn't it just been 120 in even 2 minutes? But I don't know. But that turned out really well. I was very impressed with this. And comparison-wise, from what we have now, it's actually not bad. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up this one compared to the one that I took before with the Orion, so then you can see the 3 together and then you can get an idea of what they look like. So, not bad. I mean, not bad at all. You got an 8-inch at the top left, 80 millimeter. So the 8-inch is 203 millimeters. So you got 203, 80, and the one on the right is 70. So you're not going to get as much detail of the actual nebula because it's not as magnified or not as big as the 8-inch. So, really cool. Really, really. And I'm really kind of glad that I got this. And I was thinking about it, and I was like, should I do it? Should I do it? And then I'm just like, yeah, let's go for it. You know, might as well. And you can see how small this thing is. I mean, even on the Orion camera, this sucker is small. So you can get an idea of how minuscule. And on this one, it's really small. I mean, I magnified this at 2 times. That's it right there. Now, I bent the histogram as much as I could so that way it's dark. But that's it. This little dinky thing right there is the little dumbbell. So it's really small, but it's really cool. And I should be able to get enough exposures out of this. I've taken, I think, 3 or 4 already with this. So it'll be really, really neat to actually have this stacked. Eventually, I'm going to get darks, flats, and biases since I cleaned everything. So once you either refocus it, new filters, you're cleaning, anything, you have to restart everything for calibration frames. That's darks, flats, biases, dark flats, all of them. You have to reset everything. I will get to that eventually. But it's something I wanted to show everybody that it's not over. That I'm still out here. I'm still going. The night has not ended. That even with this moon that's out there, I'm still going strong. And I'm going to put going strong. I don't know if anybody's going to comment. I don't think anybody's watching, but I don't even know. Let me see if anybody's watching live. Doubt it, but no. But that's okay. I'm just glad that I got something tonight. So this will be part 2. So part 1 was M103. Part 2 is the little dumbbell. Can't go wrong with that. It's a buy one, get one free. It's so tiny. It's so darn small. Alright, we should be just about done with the one on the right and also the one on the left. The one on the right's going to finish first. It's probably going to get a little bit darker too, but that's fine. Because it's still rising, so. Yeah, about 7 seconds on the one on the right. Oh, that's so much better. Stars don't even move. I love it. That's great. Freaking awesome. What about the one on the left? Oh shit, this is a 10-minute one. I didn't even know. I forgot that I was doing 8 and I flipped it to 10. I didn't even see that. So apparently this is a 10-minute image. I didn't even know. There's some drift. Some. I could see a little bit of drift on the 10-minute. It's not terrible. Yeah, it did. Yeah, there was a little bit of a blip there. How is it looking outside? Waiting for it to update. Doesn't look too bad out there. Then again, that moon is probably screwing things up. I may have to... 1.5. I may have to increase the exposure here. We'll see. We'll see what this does. Increase the exposure just a little bit, and then we'll bring it down just a hair. So that way it brings it down. We'll try that. See if that works. It's not terrible. It's just that there was a slight bit of drift on the one on the left. Although it could be focus. Yeah, that very well could be focus. I'm really not sure. I'm going to love my video. I'm not going to like it. I'm going to love it. It's awesome. Take off my Wi-Fi on my phone. Alright. Alright, guiding settled down, so that's good. There was that gigantic blip. I don't know what the hell happened there. That was a gigantic one. I don't know if it could have been there was like a haze or something that went through there, because now it's just settled down and it's solid now. It's ready to go. I mean, look at that. That is what I'm talking about. Not a single correction or error or anything. That's what I want. So we'll see. This one's got about 80 seconds left. And this one's got a while. This one's got about 6 or 7 minutes left. We'll wait on for time. 17 minutes. So, we'll get probably one more on the one on the left. And then we'll call it a night. Officially, we'll call it a night. There will not be a part 3 tonight. So we'll split this up. When I do the editing and condensed versions, we'll have part 1 and part 2. I think that'll be good, because then I can do 25 and 25. And then that way it's more content, more objects, and just everything for people to watch. Let me know if that's what you guys want. I'm all for it. I think it would be fantastic. This way, if it's an object that you guys want, I can actually do rapid fire, because I'm telling you right now that in about a month and a half, the weather is going to change. And that means I'm not going to be out here as much. So, you're going to have a lot of videos. That one drifted. That one was probably the result on the one on the left. But that one arc second that you saw, that gigantic, oh my God, it did it again. Right there. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Ooh, oh. Let me check. It just very well could be high enough that's where the freaking moon is. Let me see something. And we are at 35 degrees altitude. Yeah, it very well could be that the moon is definitely affecting it, because it's right at about the same altitude. Yeah, that very well could be the problem, is that it's affecting it. Because I've seen this at 10 seconds. This should be dark as dark can be. And it's not. So, put that a little bit higher. It ran so well for about 30 seconds right there. It was so good. So good. Now it's not. So this looks to be a crummy image. I think we might be done. What does everybody think? I think tonight might be the end of it, I think. I don't know. That's not looking good. One of those things I think I spoke too soon, I think. Shot my mouth off. still, we got 8. So 8 on the right. That's 8 times 6, that's 48 minutes. That's not bad. And on the one on the left, we took 4 at 8 minutes, so that's 32. I can't really consider this, I'm going to use the 10-minute image. It's not terrible. It's not atrocious. So we'll probably use it. So we're at 42 minutes, and then after this one will be 52. So we got about an hour on both of them. That's not terrible. We might come back to it later on. I definitely might want to try it with the new filter that I'm going to be getting. I probably, as I said in the last episode, I probably won't get that till probably mid-August. So, and big props to Sobani. You know, they've helped me out, and I'm trying to help them out too. They're doing a lot of things for them, reviewing the telescope for them, and it's really awesome. And they helped me out, and they got me the lens, and they also got me the filter. So I still paid for it, but it was really nice, and it was really good what they did. And once I get that, we'll be rolling, because I'll be able to start doing planetary. I'll start being able to do lunar and solar, and getting everything set up by, I'm hoping planetary and lunar will be done by the 20th of August, right before the eclipse. See how this image is. Probably not as good. Oh no, better. Not terrible. It's not atrocious. That blip, you can definitely see that one little dot right there. Definitely tell that there was a blip. Yeah, I think 10 minutes is just too much tonight, I think. I think it's just too much. We'll see how this one is. And when this one's over, I think then we're going to be done for the night. Well, that one turned out a lot better. There's no drift on that one at all. That one's a lot better. Fantastic. All right. So, we're going to end the broadcast again. This time it'll be, finally, this will be the last one for tonight, that is. So, again, I want to thank everybody for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button for both YouTube and also hitting that like for Facebook, and try to make sure that you're joining that group. So again, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful night. Bye.